Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass this error that you're seeing on the screen. Netflix doesn't like you to use a VPN because by that way you will be able to watch content that is not available to the region that you're located in. But hey, I'm going to teach you how you can bypass this error, and I'm using NordVPN, so I am going to show you how you can bypass this error using NordVPN. So when you get this error for the very first time, you may be connected to a VPN server in US or Australia or any other country for that matter. What you need to do is close your Netflix application on your Windows computer and then open your NordVPN application. After you've opened the application, go to Specialty Servers and then select Obfuscated Servers. What this means is this is going to hide the fact that it is a VPN server. So Netflix servers will not be able to identify that your connection is coming through a VPN server. So click on these three small dots in here, and in the country section you will be able to select the country that you want to connect to. If you want to watch Netflix US shows, so make sure you type the word United States and then click on United States and click connect, and it is going to connect to an obfuscated server in the United States, and Netflix or any other service provider will not be able to identify that your connection is coming from a VPN server, so you will be able to watch your favorite content.